wife break down, and they decide to push their car back up the hill so they can see the road, because you see, you can't see the road because of this big hill.
Now, the story is you put your car in neutral, which I'm doing right now, take off your foot off the brake, and then your car will be pushed backwards. When in all natural forces, it should move forwards. Now
Right.
watch as we go backwards. We are being pushed backwards. It's very slowly, but we are going backwards. We are being pushed backwards.